Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Let's double check the render USDT trading pair with my customer cassette. What's going on now with this token? So first of all, guys, you remember the global plan. This one, we get a 2-1. So main one since 2021, what I track it here, and we traded and accumulated in zone of interest, this red block, and maybe we will come back again inside this block. I truly believe one day the render will hit the new all-time high. And even if we, for example, from now approximately reach like $20, it's going to be 1,500. So it's not like 5,000% gains, 10,000% gains. No, it's more than realistically. One day, I'm not telling you this year. Most likely this year we will, in the most positive case scenario, we're going to reach like, I don't know, 530 or 782. In a most positive case scenario, I guess. So for the future, yes, I truly believe the render will hit the new all-time high, just a matter of time. And locally, I want to show you with my custom makers app what's going on the daily time frame, weekly here, like you can see. The road can be opened inside 53 cents, and we can add even 1 0. I hope it will never happen, of course. But I remind you, for example, low in January 21 was 8 cents 90. So of course I don't think so we're gonna drop under like 50 cents, but it's possible. Because 53.94 it's first main accumulation zone for the spot position. If you want to accumulate now, of course you can do this one. So if we count from the top of November 21, and I truly believe we're gonna form that 3-rise pattern, or we're ready for it. If we 1, 2, 3. This was the 3-rise pattern. We cooked. If we count on a monthly time frame like 1, 2, and we should hit the 3, maybe everything will be okay. Monthly time frame, I can't say something extra bullish now. Of course, with that week, we close almost the full field of the gap January 23. So it's just a matter of time when we have to rebound again. So if we close this gap, one day we have to close this one like 324. Of course, it's not like a rule or the law, so we have to close all the time every single gaps. No, but the monthly one, it's like a magnet for the market makers. They're soft. Locally, if we count this one, March 24, top, support, rejection, we are inside 20 sub block. Like accumulation, $1.58. 67 cents. We already passed it with the Donald Trump dump. So if you feel you like the render like potential asset for your investment portfolio, you can accumulate $1.58, 67, and for example, like, I don't know, 50 cents, and everything what is under the low of June 22, 27 cents. And you can build only now the DCA levels. Got it. So if we talk about a deep weekly time frame, unfortunately, guys, yes, we going down, and we grabbed liquidity last week. This one would have lived in December. So now we're still underrated. So we're still under for the Mel Wallow. So for the Mel Wallow, it's $2.23. Take profit line 5.95. So I add alert. You remember, take profit line. I don't remember exactly which time frame, but I'm waiting. So now zoom in and double check the daily one. So let's close the rectangle. Retest of the buy line can be $1.15. So this is a buy line on the daily. Buy line on 12 time frame. We already tested. And today, even, yes, I guess today here, we zoom in. And today, most likely, we're going to test $1.2342. So you can add alerts and track it. So let's add alerts just for fun. And I guess today, by end of the day, or in the London session or New York session, we will see not a take profit line, buy line on 12 time frame. So this is going to be the entry. If you want to try, maybe in real time, we're going to see this one. If you want to try open long position, it's hard to say where to add a stop loss, but here, like 8, maybe. So here, 8% stop loss. So it's 16 with the No, it's 19. With the second leverage, no, it's 16. 16 with the second leverage, and here against the 200. So 16 against 200. More than real to try, right? This trade. Last time when we tested the buy line on 12 time frame here, bounce, or the bounce. This one should be next one more time. And maybe, of course, the plan, if you want to buy now, open trade. It's about the futures. You open trade, pump it, you add stop loss to the break even and fix some profit here, for example, and leave maybe the even to this one. So it could be the trade like 16 against with second leverage against 660. Sounds unrealistic one, but guys, if the market will give us a chance to recover back this spring, it can be the good one entry. All right, ADZ. ADZ I can show it because it's a global ticker. It's not available to check the data here. So the 12 time frame, some money is not a money in the money inflow. I would like to show it another indicator here. This is accumulation was February 6th. 4 days ago, daily, yes, all the same periods since Thursday, we are in some accumulation by whales. Last time it's happening here in December, we pump it. So I hope this is the same story. Weekly time frame, still no accumulation. So up to you, accumulate or not. Market mood, it's total disbelief, depression on the weekly time frame, so it's good for accumulation. The daily, yes, we even dump it from disbelief to recapitulation. It's good. 12 time frame, it's good. So it's bullish. So the potential entry I showed you, money power and trade on now. Money in 12 time frame, no. Here was the money in at the beginning of February 1st one. And the weekly, no money inflow. Let's add alerts to the money inflow on render. Money inflow on weekly. So it can be another confirmation of potential reversal move. If you're a fan of the news, you can go and double check. The last news, some important news was just in January. Now nothing. And the last one, guys, indicator trade on. Trade on here, 12 time frame, sell, take profit, finally, buy. Daily, finally, take a look. And by the way, yes, we had the alerts. I don't remember where. Oh, here, this was a render. So I added alerts in the last video, January 21 and Wednesday. And just 6 days ago, this alert triggered. So if you watch the previous video about a render, you could add the same alerts. Here, this one, take profit from the sale. This is a buy. Now, I hope we're going to hold the line now here and start climbing up. So that's the point, guys. At least we can rebound to the $2. So like impulse, correction, impulse, and it can be the correction, impulse, and we're going to be in this tiny range, or we crash it down to 0, or we reversal move and go higher. So guys, local point of control is here, $2. Now it's crucial level to hold the line at $1.23, for example, and make a reversal move. If you want to catch this trade, 8% stop loss under this week with the cycle leverage 16. So pump, stop loss to the break even, and go higher. If not, you fix some profit, stop loss at the break even. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in comment what you think about render. If you'd like to trade as my customer, I will show it in this video. Use right now. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.